Title: Lemon Battery, generating electricity from lemons. Objective: to create a simple battery using lemons and determine whether they can produce enough electricity to power a small LED, light-emitting diode. Materials: 1. 2 to 3 fresh lemons. 2. Galvanized nails, zinc-coated, 2 or 3. 3. Copper coins, pennies work well, 2 or 3. 4. Small LED, light-emitting diode. 5. Connecting wires with alligator clips or metal paper clips. 6. Wire strippers or sandpaper, to strip wire insulation if necessary. 7. A knife or blade to cut the lemons, ensure adult supervision for safety. 8. Voltmeter, optional, to measure voltage. Procedure: 1. Gather all the materials on a clean, dry surface. 2. Cut the lemons in half using a knife or blade. 2. If you have more lemons, you can cut them into multiple pieces. 3. Take a galvanized nail and a copper coin, penny. 3. Insert the galvanized nail into one half of a lemon and the copper coin into another half, making sure they are not touching each other. 4. Repeat step 3 with the remaining lemons and metals, nail and copper coin. 4. If you have 3 lemons, you can create 2 setups, one with a single lemon and one with 2 lemons. 5. Connect one end of the connecting wire, alligator clip or metal paper clip, to the galvanized nail in the first lemon and the other end to the copper coin in the next lemon, or the copper coin in the same lemon if you're using only one lemon. 6. Repeat step 5 for the remaining lemons if you have more than 2. 7. Connect one end of the connecting wire to the copper coin in the last lemon and the other end to the longer leg, anode, of the LED. 8. Connect the shorter leg, cathode, of the LED to the remaining galvanized nail using another connecting wire. 9. If you have a voltmeter, you can measure the voltage across the last lemon by connecting the voltmeter's probes to the copper coin and galvanized nail of that lemon. 10. Once all the connections are made, the LED should light up if there is enough voltage generated by the lemon battery. Explanation: in this experiment, the lemon acts as an electrolyte, allowing the transfer of ions between the zinc in the galvanized nail and the copper in the coin. This chemical reaction creates a small electric current. When multiple lemon batteries are connected in series, positive terminal to negative terminal, their voltages add up, resulting in a high overall voltage. This combined voltage should be sufficient to power the LED and make it light up. Safety precautions: 1. Be cautious when using a knife or blade to cut the lemons. 1. Ask an adult to assist you if necessary. 2. Do not ingest any part of the experiment, especially the lemon juice. 3. When handling the wires and connections, avoid touching the exposed ends while the circuit is connected. Remember, this experiment is a simple demonstration of how batteries work, and the voltage produced may be low. It's a fun way to understand basic electrical principles and the chemical reactions involved in creating electric currents. Enjoy the experiment.